Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Deborah Nwanko from The Nice Realty, your trusted real estate broker here in Enugu State, Nigeria. So today I want to take us on a drive through from Abakpa Junction to Nowas Junction. So join me. If you know this road before now, you already know how bad it used to be, but just looking at it now is completely transformed. And this road is usually the major road from, if you're coming from Anambra to Enugu and you're heading to Abakaliki, right? So completion of this new road by the current government is a whole lot to the Enugu State people, right? So we are happy. So I want to take you on a drive through today to see how this road is looking in 2025. This is August 1st, 2025. This road is now smooth, clean, well paved. Driving here now just makes you feel like, okay, Enugu is moving forward. I mean, so smooth. If you're watching this video and you're yet to invest in the Enugu State real estate, this is your sign. Give me a call today. Let me help you secure a property that guarantees peace of mind, like I've done for several Nigerians in diaspora. Okay, so as we are now here in Pennox Junction, as we take our right into Nowas, you will notice that there are a lot of demolitions by the right and by the left. This is because of the current plan to expand this road. And of course, it's important to note that these people that are affected by these demolitions, we are fully compensated by the Enugu State government. So from here to Nowas and to Nike Lake area and beyond, the road is still under work and the vision is very clear. Once completed, the prices of property in this area will skyrocket. Even as I'm speaking to you, the prices of properties in this area is increasing, and the best time to buy into real estate is now. Lands in Nike is currently increasing, right? So if you're in Diaspora or in Nigeria and you want to invest back in Enugu State, give me a call today. So yes, that is the update on today's drive-through video, because we are already here in Nowas Junction. So yes, a lot of changes has happened. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and let someone else see what's really happening in Enugu right now. Once again, I'm Deborah Nwanko from The Nice Realty, your trusted real estate brand in Enugu State, Nigeria. See you in my next update.